Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a super convenient little device that works as both a heater and a water boiler for making tea. Let's jump in and see how I put it together. To initiate the process, we will utilize an oil filter and install this component to serve as the primary combustion chamber for the unit. Subsequently, we will proceed to drill the ventilation ports, or air vents, on the unit's body. Following that, we will utilize the oil filter cap and integrate 4 long bolts to fabricate the support legs and a rigid mounting frame for the heater unit. Thereafter, we will deploy copper tubing to enhance the heat transfer capacity for the heating system. This tubing will simultaneously function as the heat exchanger component for boiling water. It is essential to note that we are utilizing reclaimed copper tubing. Consequently, the material's color may appear altered due to the oxidation process. Following this, we will utilize a spent aerosol paint can to fabricate the water boiling reservoir. Please note, this component has been thoroughly cleaned using specialized cleaning agents. Subsequently, we will proceed to install an additional drain tap spout onto the water boiling reservoir. Subsequently, we will repurpose an empty beer can to fabricate the fuel reservoir for the combustion chamber. Regarding the fuel source, we will be utilizing 90% ethanol alcohol as the primary combustible material for the unit. Finally, we will proceed to fill the reservoir with water and conduct a functional assessment to evaluate the unit's boiling performance. To clearly demonstrate the results, I will deploy the digital thermometer to conduct a live water temperature measurement for our esteemed viewers. In summary, what a truly remarkable experience it is to own this multifunctional device, capable of both heating your space and allowing you to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee immediately upon waking. With that, our multifunctional heater fabrication project officially concludes. If you found this content valuable, please do not hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel.